Hey everybody, it's D Revolution. I'm here to give you the best results to write an effective, great story. So today we're going to talk about the second element of putting your story together, and that's coming up with an antagonist. The last video we talked about protagonists and what it means to have a protagonist. So with the antagonist, despite what everybody believes, when people think of an antagonist, they think of the villain. They think of the villain, the bad person, or whatever. But what I find is the antagonist can be more than a person. As a matter of fact, the antagonist and protagonist can be the same person. How many people do you know are their own worst enemy? So sometimes our antagonists and protagonists can be the same character. Something to consider. But the antagonist is anything that stops the protagonist from getting what he or she wants. So it could be drugs to stop the protagonist from getting what they want. Drugs could be the antagonist. Liquor could be the antagonist. Mental health could be the antagonist. Anything that's going to stop a protagonist from from achieving something, in my opinion, can be the antagonist. But in most cases, the antagonist is someone or person stopping the protagonist from getting something that they want. But the more I write and the more I study, I'm learning that an antagonist can be anything that's going to stop the protagonist from achieving something can be potentially an antagonist. So there you have it, people. It's just that simple. It's not a whole lot more. Next, we're going to talk about the next video. We're going to talk about the reflection character, and I think I may have touched on that. I'm trying to remember. Either way it goes, subscribe to my channel, share with others who are trying to write an effective story. Join my Facebook group, Black Books for Us, on Facebook, Black Books for Us, Black Books for United States on Facebook, and join our whole family. We have an entire family. Join us and subscribe to this channel. Peace.